So now we're on paper 2, June 2016, number 3. It says state in words the quantity each symbol represents in the equation EH equal mc delta theta. State the SI unit of each quantity as well. So EH is the heat energy or thermal energy. And is measured in joules. And the specific heat capacity is C. And this is measured in joules per kilogram Kelvin. And this one is temperature change. This is measured in kelvins. Now it says, what does the symbol L in the equation EH equal mL represent? It represents latent heat. Then it says, in an experiment to determine the specific latent heat of fusion of ice using a container with negligible heat capacity, a student obtained the following data: initial temperature of water, final temperature of water plus melted ice, initial mass of water, and final mass of water plus melted ice. So calculate the heat lost by the water. So the heat lost by the water will be equal to EH equal mc delta theta. So we know the mass of the water, which is 100 grams. And we know the specific heat, well, we are given the specific heat capacity, which is given on this side. So you remember that question where they asked us what was the units for specific heat capacity? So them right here. So sometimes they give you answers. So it'll be 4.2, see? So 4.2. Only thing you would have had to change this to kilograms because the actual SI units times this was before and this is after, so times 30 minus 20 degrees, and that will give us 4200 joules, because this will cancel and this will cancel, this will cancel, and this collectively these, so that will cancel. Okay, and we have 4200 joules. So it says calculate the heat gained by the ice. Heat lost by the water will be the heat gained by the ice. So you would just write heat lost by water will be equal to heat gained by ice, which should be 4200 joules. And that's just the max. Now assuming this heat lost by the water is equal to the heat, and they give you the answer again down here. Assuming the heat lost by the water is equal to the heat gained by the ice, calculate the specific latent heat of fusion of ice. So we know that EH equal to MLF. Right? So if you're looking for, this is latent heat of fusion, so LF will be equal to EH over M. And the mass of the ice, because we're looking for the ice, so the mass of the ice will be equal to 110 minus 100 grams, which will be equal to 10 grams. Why? Because over here it said the initial mass of the water was 100 grams. The final mass of water plus the melted ice is 110. So you want to find the mass of the ice. And to find the mass of the ice, you just do a simple subtraction, and then you just fill it in. LF equal to the 4200 that we calculated earlier divided by 10 grams. Then you divide that and you get 420 joules per grams. Okay? And that's about that for this question. Good luck.